Employers in all sectors need skilled specialists to develop the software, analyze the data, and protect the systems that fuel operations. As a result, several tech occupations are poised for explosive growth over the next decade. According to recent Bureau of Labor Statistics (BLS) projections, software developer jobs are expected to expand at a stunning 25.7% clip between 2022 and 2032. That translates to demand for over 400,000 additional developers in fields ranging from applications and websites to operating systems and video games. High pay, stimulating work, flexibility, strong job security, and countless specializations make software development an appealing field, drawing newcomers as well as veterans. The BLS also forecasts 35.2% growth for data scientists, among the fastest rates for any occupation. As companies and organizations accumulate more data, they need experts to organize, analyze, interpret, and apply insights from that data to inform key strategic decisions. It is complex, cutting-edge work using statistics, business context, programming, ethics, and communication skills. Companies compete intensely for qualified data scientists by offering lucrative compensation and perks. And with cyber attacks constantly in the news, information security analysts are critical for defending systems against threat. The 31.5% job growth projected for infosector analysts reflects rapidly rising demand across industries like finance, healthcare, retail, government, and more for savvy cyber defense expertise. Infosector analyst roles pay over $100,000 on average. Between booming demand, stimulating work at the technology frontier, abundant specializations, and compensation packages companies use to vie for talent, software developers, data scientists, and cybersecurity specialists enjoy exceptional career opportunities now and for years to come. Remember to watch this next video for more on maximizing your college education. Hit subscribe for more valuable insights and tips.